I'm finding it really hard to stay on track with cooking all my meals. Any tips? Look, I always encourage variety, but at the end of the day, make it simple for yourself. So let's say, for example, there's a type of breakfast that you really like, and the breakfast is like this. It's eggs, asparagus, and broccolini. If you like that trio, then just, make it as simple as eggs, cauliflower, and sweet potato. Just, try your very best to make it easy for yourself in terms of like how much you have to think about what you're doing. Not pure repetition of just like, this is what works, I'm just going to make it every single day, because it is very important for you, especially for your gut health, to rotate your foods. But I would say try to keep it as simple as you can and just rotate a couple of things. All you need to be doing is rotating your types of fruits, your types of nuts, your types of protein. But as long as you've got protein, carb, fat, you're good. And then just mix it up where you can. But if you're super stressed right now, then do your best. That's really all you can do. And I would also say a lot of oven bakes makes things really easy. Just like roughly chop vegetables and just put your protein in the middle, like your salmon, and then put all the vegetables in and just chuck it in, and then you don't have to worry about it. Go and do whatever you need to do for half an hour, 40 minutes, and then go back. It just makes it so much easier like that. Hey, even if you eat like that breakfast, lunch, and dinner, who cares? And also buying frozen vegetables, just like bulk frozen vegetables, and then just steam those throughout, like, so that you have a small amount of vegetables at least that you can sort of meal prep, and then just add small amounts of it throughout the week to all of your meals, I think would also be a good little hack too. Mix nuts, mix berries, mix vegetables. That's where you want to be going with that. And freezer, like if they're frozen, that's fine. Well, mixed nuts won't be, but the rest will be.